Hey, this is Dad Random, and I'm at Fire Lake Park, and I'm going to do a couple of tests today. The first one is one that I've been waiting to do. When I first crashed the Flywoo long range with the Nebula Pro right here, I had a dilemma because I had to replace the lens because I broke it. So you can see I've inset it since then. But I bought two lenses. One from CADDX directly. This is the one I purchased from CADDX directly. This is the correct lens. This is the one with the infrared filter. So we're going to show you the difference between the replacement lens for the Vista camera, which fits on the Nebula Pro. So we're going to look at some footage from both of those. I'm just going to throw the Lion pack. I've got it all ready to go, so we'll have a lot of time to get footage. But you'll see the difference between now I had to set this up at home. I had to go and focus it in using just setting it up in my kitchen. I actually got like right next to my hand so I could try to see the individual. I was trying to see the lines in my hand. It's kind of like an infinity lens. So I was trying to see, okay, how crispy can I make it? So hopefully this is good video. It should be a fun flight. The water level's even lower than last time. But looks like a little party over there. So I'm gonna have to stay away from the wedding party. They got the taco truck over there. So we'll stay to this side of the park, which is fine. This is the best side anyway. And we'll fly maybe around them. So we don't want to give them any crap. There's actually a guy over there probably doing a little bit of drone footage, probably their photographer. I'm guessing he's got his I know it sounded like a Mavic, it sounded like a Spark that he was flying. More than likely, if he's a wedding photographer, he's probably flying with the original Mavic Air. That's kind of what it sounded like. It had that whine of the Mavic Air. All right, so here we go. Here's the test flight of the Flywoo long range with the replacement lens. $9 from CADDX directly. That's where you want to get it, because when you look at the pictures in CADDX, same thing with the I think I got it from RDQ, Race Day Quads. They actually had theirs labeled correctly. I just didn't know what I was looking for. So this one is labeled with, you can see on the image is that it has the red infrared filter on it. So, and it's right. It's definitely Vista footage. So, all right, here we go. Let's give it a flight. So, all right, Dad Random. I'm inside the pavilion today. Got a little place to chill right here. There's everybody's kind of staying away from here, so I've got this all to myself. It should be nice. All right, later. Bye. All right, so see if we can get this in the air. Oh yeah, there we go. That is the footage we're looking for right there. Sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and launch. All right, so Dad Random waiting for satellites. We'll definitely be fast forwarding this and cutting this out. And there's our, there we go, we can arm now. Unlocked, frame rate switched. All right, so we can go ahead and stand. Let's make sure we're clear. Little kid, here, little legs. There we go, there's our Nebula Pro footage. A couple people down there. 3.8 volts, we can go down to 3 volts with this. And we will land in the most reasonable spot. So let's see here. Oh, we're a little bit low. Looks like we have to keep up. Got to keep my... There we go. Losing a little bit of... Here we get out, turn around that way a little bit more. There. There's our... Looks great. Remember, we can fly this down to 3 volts. And there's a little bit of a breeze, but nothing to make any difference. Go across the lake. Take a little bit of a risk today, huh? 15 volts, 3.8. Remember, with the 4S pack Lion, we can pretty much do what we want today. There's quite a few people out, so I'm going to stay off the trails. I have a little bit of wind to my back, which will push it out. There's a guy, looks like he's down there doing a little bit of kayaking. And I'm in that pavilion over there, and I'm going to stay away from this wedding party. Stay away from those guys fishing. See if give that wedding photographer a little bit of a piece of FPV flight. I don't know how much tight turning I can do, you know, with the tree there. Whoa, probably no problem. Yeah, that's no problem. I can go around that tree. Just keep whipping around. Whip around that tree. Little battery sag, but we're still at 3.6 volts. But much different as far as video quality. Do a little bit of flight surveillance, because I'm off to the just to the left of the pavilion there. I'm standing up. Looks like we're doing okay though. You can see I'm losing a little bit of signal. Let's get down a little bit. A little bit more of a low and slow flying. We could pretty much do this type of flying forever. Stay away from the wind or the wedding. And there I am right there in the pavilion. Let's do a little. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I can. Huh? Alright, I'm out there probably, got a little bit of signal loss, better get some altitude, so I can bring it up higher. And then there we go, now I can fly out here for a while. But we can go around, we want to hike today. There's the trail. So I'm going to point straight out. But remember, the wind is pushing me out, so I want to just cruise on back. Now with the patch antennas, we really got to watch where we're looking. But yeah, we got a really good signal. There we go. You can see the fluctuations with the goggles that the 720 is dropping here and there. But pretty good. Ooh. That's not my beeper. 35 miles an hour. Acro. We've got a guy down there doing a little bit of fishing down there. He's doing a little casting. Stay away from the wedding. Yeah, 3.5 volts I am, guys. I could just fly pretty much non-stop. And we'll probably have to come in when I do land. Probably gonna have to come in this way. Make sure there's nobody on my landing strip right there. A truck or two here. We'll actually end this video here. Gosh, we could just keep flying. This is the advantage of the Lion pack. Just go up here and land over closer to me. Drop it right there for now. All right, there we go. Good flight. All right, so that's half the flight on a Lion. very successful, good fix. So probably didn't want to land in that sand over there, but just dust them off, just dust those motors off. Just blow the sand out. You're off. All right, there we go. I only went through half the pack, so crap, I could still fly for another, probably not even half the pack. It was like 3.6 volts I was still basically sitting with. All right, so I just wanted to test out the camera. It looks like a successful test. Great, because I think I'm in this repair maybe 15 bucks. So nice. Love the 4S Lion. If you check out Lone Star UAS, he basically is going to do a test on the 3S version of this pack. So check that out. One cell lighter. You're running 3S at that point, but what I'm hearing is, especially for long range, it's not changing much. So what that tells me is you can drop the weight, save on some cost of a single cell, use less energy, and basically just fly for less money. That's where it gets to. You don't need this big 4-cell pack. But 3-cell pack, obviously you get a little more punch. I think I definitely could feel the 4-cell punch. Even flying with Lion, there is a marked difference adding the voltage. This thing really does have a little kick. So all right, so let's go to Lipo. Today I'm having a little fun with some Lipo. Have a little bit of fun, shooting the little 3-inch around. So all right, so Diatone 3-inch. A little bit of fun with the 700 with the Lipo version. And do a little bit of really whipping around. So that'll be cool later. Bye. Give me a second. Get her set up, and here we go. We're gonna go fly. All right, we're ready to go. Oh boy, she's just gonna rip. Look at that. Whoa. She's just gonna rip. Look at that. Whoa. That's right up